all over the world here, from Hawaii to Chicago. Everybody from all walks of life come, and we enjoy these last 3 days. The benefits of being at the IBS is the people, the experience, the education. It's amazing.
IBS Las Vegas is actually you get to see different companies, different products, diversity, different type of people. Very good to get to know our product, our business.
Down here for about 12 years now. This is a great place to come and get a lot of product. You can really save a lot of money. It's wonderful.
Everybody that comes here is looking to find out what the newest technologies are out there. They're coming to get some great education. They're coming to learn how to use the products and newest tips and tricks and things to make their business grow. And we're great at showing them how to do that.
We've been coming here for, I think this is our 9th year here. People that come here, they're really serious buyers. They're really here to build their business. They're here to get new products and services that are going to help them make more money in their salon, which is what we offer. So for us, it's a great show to be a part of.
Samples. We love samples so we can try different products and see what else is out there.
Thank you, IBS, for having us. We're looking forward to seeing you next year.
Thank you, IBS.
Thank you guys. It's always a pleasure being here. Thank you.
Thank you, IBS, for having us. Looking for another amazing year.